Hello. So, one of the things we pride ourselves on as a VC is our internship and fellowship program. We started it over a year and a half ago, and since it began, we've had over 34 interns and fellows, and it's growing. We started as a firm as a male only, with just me as a co general partner firm. So now we have over 40% females in the firm, and a cohort of interns and fellows that represent our founders in their diversity. Now, this is open to anyone. For interns, we look for either students who are in university or have just left university, and fellows tend to be mid-career professionals with any background who are interested in learning about how venture capital works. This program is designed for you to get involved, have your hands in every aspect of how a VC is run, and learn by doing. I'll tell you more about the internship and fellowship in future calls, and please get on our website to learn more. Thank you.